In this video, we'll show you how to install the T6 main unit. First, get the accessories from the T6 kit ready. Then remove the inner padding from the helmet to get it ready for the installation. Get the clamp and the 3M glue Velcro ready. First, take a clean cloth and wipe the left side of the helmet where the clamp will be placed. Then, peel off the other side of the 3M glue Velcro and attach it to the mounting base. Peel off the other side of the tape, press the mount firmly on the left side, and let it sit for 4 hours. Get the clamp with screw and a screwdriver ready. First, loosen the screw on the clamp with the screwdriver. Insert the clamp with screw into the left edge of the helmet and adjust it to the right position. Finally, tighten the screw to secure the clamp firmly. Get the speakers and the 3 Velcro ready. First, locate the reserve speaker slot inside the helmet. Peel off the backing from the speaker's Velcro and stick it into the slot. Place the speaker on the Velcro to secure it inside the helmet speaker slot. Get the button mic and Velcro ready. First, peel off the sticker on the back of the soft tube mix Velcro and stick it inside the helmet in the right spot. Then, attach the soft tube mic to the Velcro and secure it in the correct spot inside the helmet. Get the hard tube mic and Velcro ready. First, peel off the sticker on the back of the hard tube mix Velcro and stick it inside the helmet in the correct spot. Then, attach the hard tube mic to the Velcro and secure it in the correct spot inside the helmet. T6. Connect the microphone and speaker plugs, tidy up the cables, and put the helmet's inner padding back in place. Insert the T6 main unit into the mount. Then plug the headphone connector into the T6, and the installation is complete.